Imagine that you have the same power that banks have. Imagine every person in the world is an equal, empowered participant in the global economy. Welcome to Babb.
Babb is the new way of doing banking, which has only just become possible. It's completely removed the need for a bank. Instead, it creates a global financial network with you at the heart.
There are 2 billion people in the world currently living without access to banking, most of them in developing countries. Even the banked people everywhere are being failed by the incumbent banking system. Internet access and smartphone ownership are increasing rapidly in many parts of the world. This gives us the opportunity to do something new, building a new kind of decentralized bank, which will empower everyone by connecting us all together, whoever you are, wherever you live, and however much money you have.
As a bank, you have all kinds of power that you just don't have as an ordinary customer. You have the ability to empower others. You can open bank accounts for people you trust, issue cards to those who need them, and lend money securely at fair rates.
With the Babb app, you can open a UK bank account from anywhere in the world by taking a selfie and saying a passphrase. Once you've entered the Babb ecosystem, you've become your own bank. Anyone with a smartphone and an internet connection can participate in Babb's global marketplace. If you're a fully validated member of the network, you can onboard your friends and family and give them access to a UK bank account. All they need to do is download the app, take a selfie and say a passphrase, creating a Babb account with an integrated digital identity. This social KYC mechanism will create fully banked communities and promote rapid uptake of the Babb network across the world.
Babb creates a frictionless marketplace built on a blockchain using biometrics to create secure digital identities for all participants. By connecting people and removing the barriers between them, we can reduce the cost of doing business and unlock innovation across the world.
With Babb, you can exchange or send money directly without any middlemen. It's cheaper, faster, and easier than doing it any other way. For instance, to exchange and withdraw cash in one go, Babb finds all the people or businesses that you're able to meet nearby and puts you in touch. If you want to go ahead, just tap and make it happen.
We're bringing together 3 key technologies to build our solutions at Babb. The first is blockchain. And blockchain technology is driving innovation and change across many sectors, particularly the financial sector, where incumbent banks have very high transaction costs. These are then passed on to individuals and businesses, which leads to the exclusion of this large segment of the global population who just can't afford it or are not even rendered banking services. By leveraging a blockchain, we can have multiple parties into one secure platform, reduce costs, and operate with unprecedented transparency.
The Black Card is the world's first decentralized card payment method built on the blockchain. It bridges the divide between the digital world and the physical world. It's linked to your Babb bank account via an NFC tag and operates independently of Visa and MasterCard with local and global bank account capability. When you use the Black Card, you can spend your BACS, our native cryptocurrency, instantly anywhere in the world.
The second technology is biometrics. Biometric technology helps solve the challenge of determining identity, particularly in developing countries. This, paired with our innovative peer-to-peer dynamic KYC, allows us to provide more people access to bank accounts while still reducing the potential for fraud and complying with regulations. The third is machine learning. These technologies give us a far greater ability to detect and predict behavior. This has massive implications for security, fraud, and risk scoring, with an impact on lenders, borrowers, and access to credit at fair rates. At Babb, we're building solutions that leverage these technologies to create a new kind of banking for the benefit of everyone.
Babb gives us the opportunity to leverage our social connectivity in new ways. The app brings people together to participate in peer-to-peer financial services, collaborate on projects, organize events and plan activities. Babb is more than just a banking platform, it's a social movement.
Our project will empower the global microeconomy and help connect each and every individual, business, and community across the world. Join us.